Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Did you make my noodles with peanut sauce? If you still have peanut sauce as I have, today we're going to make a very delicious shredded chicken with peanut sauce, or similar to my family's version of nami and spicy chicken. What do we call in Chinese?
It's called malaji.
Malaji. Good job. Yeah, let me show you the ingredients. I have one chicken breast. So you can also use dark meat. And here's my peanut sauce made for my noodles before. You can refrigerate.
That smells so good.
Right, for about a few days and over a week. Smells so good with peanuts, sesame, and oil. And here's my ground Sichuan peppercorns we call powder, and a little bit of sugar. Here's my fresh cilantro, just picked from my herb garden. And then next we're going to poach the chicken. I'm heating up the water in a saucepan, and we just add a chicken breast, maybe a little bit more water. And add a little bit salt. And some Sichuan peppercorns for flavor. A little bit more. And we're gonna bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. We just need to skim the top foam. Pretty clean, right? Because we're going to use the soup for the sauce. And we just turn the heat to medium low. Cover it. Cook about 15 minutes. It depends on how big the chicken breast is. Okay, almost 15 minutes. Our chicken is ready.
Are you sure it's ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can I test it with my
Speaking from my
new
experience.
New meat thermometer.
Sure, if you want to verify. Go
Okay,
ahead.
Let me see.
Go ahead. Here. And it should be what? 165?
Oh, 165. It's actually 171. That's
Wow,
good.
perfect.
Perfect.
It's about what, 74 Celsius. Okay, let me take out. You okay? I'm taking out the chicken.
Go ahead.
Verified. And let the chicken cool off. And I need to, okay, turn off the heat. I need to take some soup for our sauce. That should be enough. Okay, let's make a sauce. So in the chicken soup, we add a peanut sauce. Should be good. Here's a piece of peanut. Bonus. And this is a ground Sichuan pepper corn. Depends on how nami, ma, you like. My family puts a lot. And a little bit sugar to your own taste. Soy sauce. About tablespoons. Let's mix. Simple like that. Let me just taste a little bit. Wow. It is spicy and probably need more soy sauce. And our sauce is ready. Now we're gonna shred the chicken. You can use forks, but I'm just use hand shred along with the grain, like that. Almost there. Shredding, hand shredding. Okay, let me just wash my hands and we're going to dress the chicken. Now we just pour our sauce over chicken. Mix it. Wow, smells so good.
Looks so good too.
Yeah. Oh, would you like to taste for me?
Of course.
Taste a piece.
Sure.
Here. Anything to adjust? Soil or
I would say it leaves a little bit
Sugar.
of salt,
salt, which means
but it's really delicious.
yeah, which means a little bit soy sauce, right?
Yep.
As I always say, we don't measure when cooking Chinese food, but you need to taste it and adjust it, right?
Why don't you taste a piece?
That's right. I trust you. Okay, let me give a taste. Delicious. Chicken so tender, right? Okay, we are ready to eat. Close up, please, Mr. Cameraman. Wow, looks so good, right? The sauce, chicken, packed with peanuts, sesame. You ready to try?
I'm ready. With
Over
some rice.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
there you go.
Wow, beautiful.
Enjoy.
Wow.
So
With rice,
delicious.
it's excellent.
I know. What do we call going well with rice?
下饭.
下饭.
Wow.
Does this remind you the chicken my family made?
Exactly.
But ours is like milder version, right?
Oh, you can't even eat that.
Theirs is like so spicy. The
Wow.
spicy level is here.
This is great.
Ours is here,
You don't want to stop eating it.
right? Yeah,
Wow.
worth making this peanut sauce. If you have vegetable oil, peanuts, you can make this sauce. And so versatile, right? Go with noodles, go with meat, and you can make a salad with cucumbers. I'm not going to make another recipe of peanut sauce.
That's great. And the wajia has a lot of flavor.
Please try to make it so delicious. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.